Good morning guys, and welcome back to the garage. I know it has been a long time since I have uploaded a video, but that is because I was waiting for the right car. And now that we have the new Camaro, it's time to do some mods. And first up, we've got the smoked taillights, which I think is an absolute must-have for any Camaro. I think it should have come from the factory this way, but it didn't, and so that is why we are going to do it today. And let's hop into it. Alright, so let's hop right into the unboxing. Now I did get these from GM Parts House at gmpartshouse.com. And this kit that I bought does include the third matching taillight, which, I mean, I don't know why you would do this without doing that, but let's check it out. So there's the third one. Looks really good. Pretty simple install right there. This is the adhesive. You just pull that and it will help it stick along with the clips, 4 clips. This one looks to be the left side. This is a pretty easy install. It's just 3 little screws here. Pull them out, and these already come with all brand new bolts and everything, so it's literally just popping the old one out, plugging this harness back in, and moving on. Good. Right side. It's good to go. Let's install them. Now taking a look at the trunk, what we're going to do is we're going to actually pop these 3 out. 1, 2, 3. Pull this cover off and set that to the side. That trim piece out, set that to the side. Now you can see we're gonna have 3 bolts, 1, 2, and then there is one in the back as well. Okay, so to actually get behind here, to actually unscrew them, what you're gonna want to do is pop this little bolt off, and then this is an optional step, but I'm gonna do it because I think it is going to be easier, is to remove this back trim piece. Which is done by just removing these 4 bolts, and once you do that, you can pop this off and this whole liner actually pulls down. Once all that is undone, what you're going to want to do is pull this trim piece out, and just a little bit there, set it to the sides, so that way that you have access to what you need to do back here. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, so this is an 8mm, so what you're going to do is just get them going just a little bit, and then they are pretty loose. Just undo them by hand from there. So basically, once you have the 3 bolts out from the back, what you're going to want to do is put 2 hands on and really pull it. You got to pull it straight out. It is pretty tight, so you need to use some force. I've already pre-done mine, so what you're going to want to do once you do pop it out, so there's a little clamp here. You're going to want to pop that off. And then right here, pop this off as well. So that is it. The light is out. It's time to put the new one in. Okay, so here's the new one we are going to install. It is the complete opposite of what we just did to take that light out. So We're gonna plug the harness in back in right here, pop it back in, bolt on the 3 nuts, and fix all the trim lining. Get it all lined back up. Pop it in. Make sure it's tight. And that is it. Put the 3 bolts back on the back, fix your trim, and this side is done. As you can see, this is the old and the new. Obviously it looks a lot better, especially on the white. I think it looks so good, super clean. So now that that one's in, basically do the exact same thing on this side.